Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about fixing STL, GLB imported files with mesh problems. So, okay. So you see here an imported STL file, and so if I use here a brush like clay, it seems to work, but when you use maybe a smooth brush, you see here the mesh is not connected. So yeah, so the faces are not welded or not connected to each other. And so I go a few steps back and I start from the beginning. So I select everything and I import this file. So even not this keep topology setting fixes the problem. So okay, and now smoothing, you see here the problem appears. And so I zoom in such an area where the vertices are nearby, and I use now here, I put my measure tool in so this is a measure tool. I put it in a separate folder. So, and now measure here. So sorry, is there the vertex setting? So measure here the distance, so like this. And now in the debug settings you find here a feature here, join merge radius. So activate this, and here you can type in a value, and here you see the value. So 0.03. Okay, and now select your meshes. So I switch back to the main tools. So I select here the whole thing, and then here in the hierarchy or in the outliner you can join here the meshes. And now I'm zooming in and I look what happened. So okay, I think it's okay. You see here are a few mesh problems. So this mesh here I have to join with the other join merge radius. So I go back and I select here only the two meshes here. And I think those meshes are now okay. So now smooth should work. So now the mesh is connected. And so, and this mesh here, So I press now separate. So it crashes Nomad. Yeah, now Nomad Sculpt is crashed. Okay. I restarted. Where is it? Oh, yeah. Ah, here. Or I start again. So I check this out here. Zero point 0.05, 0.03. Okay. Let's check the join merge radius. 0.03. Okay. Yeah. I think now it works. And now when I press separate, yeah, I get all my meshes here separated. But this mesh here is overlapping here. This, I think this is another problem how to separate this one. So because I think it's connected here. But I hope you get the workflow here. So with this join merge radius, and don't forget to uncheck here the checkbox. So this is a big problem here when you forgot the checkbox here. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting and ciao.